In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add billing account in Google Cloud. By the end, you'll have a billing account set up and linked so you can start using Google Cloud services without interruption. Start by opening the Google Cloud console in your browser and signing in with your Google account. When the console loads, head to the top left corner and click the three horizontal lines, often called the navigation or hamburger menu. From the expanded menu, choose Billing. If billing isn't visible, you may not have the required permissions. In that case, ask your organization's admin to grant you the billing administrator role or help complete the setup. Inside Billing, select Link a billing account. If you don't already have one, click Create Billing Account. You'll be prompted to choose your country. Pick the country where your organization is legally based. This determines your currency, tax handling, and available payment methods, and it can't be changed later for this billing account. So take a moment to confirm it's correct. You'll see an option to receive email updates. Enable this if you want product announcements and tips. You can always change your preferences later. Review the terms of service, then click Agree and continue to move on. Next, provide your contact information. Choose whether the account is for a business or an individual, then enter the legal name, address, and any other requested details. Accuracy matters here. This information appears on invoices and affects how taxes are calculated, so use official, up-to-date records. If applicable, add tax information such as a VAT or GST ID. This is optional, but including it helps ensure you're billed correctly and may prevent unnecessary tax charges. If you're unsure what to enter, check with your finance team or accountant before proceeding. Now add a payment method. Click Add Payment Method, choose Add credit or debit card, and enter the cardholder name, card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure the billing address matches what your bank has on file to avoid verification issues. When everything looks good, click Save. You might notice a small temporary authorization from your bank to verify the card. It should clear automatically. To finish, click Start free to activate your account and link billing to your current project. If a free trial is available in your region, this also enables your trial credit. You won't be charged until you exceed any available credits or free tier limits. That's the complete setup. After you're done, return to the billing section anytime to set budgets and alerts, review invoices, or manage payment methods so your projects stay running smoothly and costs remain under control.